Assalamualaikum, dear student. Hope you all are fine. I am your Social Studies teacher. Open your class 5 Social Studies book, page number 48, lesson number 6, Minerals, Power Resources and Industries. In previous lecture, you will learn minerals, power resources and industries. Raw material, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Before starting the lecture, you people must have rough copies to note down some general knowledge questions and your homework task. Now come to page number 50. Our new topic is power resources. Pakistan uses much less energy than many other countries. पाकिस्तान जो है दूसरे ममालिक के लिहाज से कम एनर्जी यूज़ करता है क्योंकि इनके पास इतने वसाइल नहीं हैं. द एनर्जी यूज इन पाकिस्तान कम्स फ्रॉम ऑयल, कोल एंड गैस. ज़्यादातर एनर्जी इन तीन चीज़ों से हासिल होती है. अदर एनर्जी सोर्सेज इंक्लूड न्यूक्लियर, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, biogas from cow dung and solar energy. Next topic is petroleum. Petroleum is made from oil which is found deep below the surface of the earth. Pakistan does not have enough oil for its needs. A huge amount is imported every year. Import means बरामद करना, बैरूने मुल्क को भेजना. Imports are the goods which a country buys from other countries. In 1961, the Oil and Gas Development Corporation was set up in Pakistan. Almost 50% of the petroleum we use goes to run our cars, trucks, buses and aeroplanes. Petroleum is also used to produce power in industry and for domestic and agricultural purposes. Petroleum oil is used in many other products such as lubricants and even cosmetics. Next topic is oil fields. There are oil fields in the Pothohar Plateau and in Lower Sindh. The Lower Sindh oil fields were discovered in 1981. 60% of Pakistan oil comes from Lower Sindh. In 1951, the first oil field was discovered. Oil refineries. ऐसी फैक्ट्री जहां ऑयल साफ होता है. Before it can be used, oil has to be refined or made pure. This is done at a refinery. There are several refineries in Pakistan. The Attock refinery at Rawalpindi is the oldest. Next topic is natural gas. Pakistan is very fortunate to have large reserves of natural gas. Natural gas is used in industries and for domestic purposes. The largest gas field is at Sui and the second largest at Murree. From Sui gas is pipeline to Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakhar and Quetta. We must value these natural resources and not waste them. Fix leaks, turn off taps and do not leave burners on. Gas leaks can also be very dangerous as they can be fatal and can cause fire. Next topic is electricity. Pakistan does not produce enough electricity for our needs, so we have to import electricity. Electricity in Pakistan is produced in three ways: thermal, hydel and nuclear. Most of the electricity is used in thermal power plant in Pakistan. ज़्यादातर पाकिस्तान में बिजली थर्मल पावर प्लांट से बनाई जाती है। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इंडस्ट्रीज। Industries means a group of manufacture or business that produce a particular kinds of goods or services. Cotton, ruई, wool, wool and silk, resham. Cotton is the major export crop of Pakistan. Next topic is art silk. Art silk is artificial silk. Pakistan import art silk yarn produces a significant quantity of art silk textiles and exports them centers of the art silk. Industry are based in Karachi, Gujranwala, Multan and Faisalabad. Next topic is chemicals. Chemical means kimyai mada. Basic chemicals such as sulfuric acid, soda ash and caustic soda are used in many of our industries. For example, sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of soap, paper, textiles, fertilizers and iron and steel. A number of sulfuric acid plants are in Karachi, Daud Khel, Rawalpindi and Faisalabad. Soda ash is processed at Karachi and Kura. Caustic soda, a basic chemical for the textile. And the oil refining industries is processed at Nowshera. Next topic is vegetable ghee and cooking oil. In 1949, there were 2 units producing ghee and the output was 4,000 tons. Today, there are numerous units producing over 1 million tons. Major centers of the ghee and oil industry are in Karachi, Nawab Shah, Rahim Yar Khan, Bahawalpur, Haripur. Next topic is fertilizers. Fertilizer means any substance such as a mixture used to make soil more fertile. ऐसा केमियाई मादा जो ज़मीन को ज़्यादा ज़रख़ीज़ बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Another term is cement. In 1947, there were only 5 cement factories in Pakistan. There are now more than 25 cement factories. Our cities and towns have expanded so rapidly that more cement is required to meet their needs. New constructions laws after the October 2005 earthquake have also added to the demand for more cement. Next topic is coal. Coal means koila. Coal is found in seams underground. In our mines, these seams are usually less than 1 meter thick, which makes mining very difficult. Coal mining in this region started in 1887. In Pakistan, coal is mined in the Soar range around Quetta and in the Lower Sindh, from where it is transported by rail to wherever it is needed. Pakistan has coal reserves of about 186 billion tons. Next topic is iron, steel and engineering. The first large iron and steel plant, Pakistan Steel, was started in 1973 with Russian help. It was built close to the Bin Qasim Seaport in Karachi. Seaport means bandargah. Steel is a very tough material that lasts a long time. It is used to make many things. Today, Pakistan produces many small machines tools and parts for automobiles as well as heavy machinery. For other factories, road rollers, trucks and boilers. Next is cottage and small industries. Cottage and small industry means is a small kind of industry which is run by the owner or his/her relatives in their homes. All over the country, there are blacksmiths, carpenters, and other craftsmen. Other craftsmen who make toys, furniture, doors, windows, shoes, surgical instruments, sports goods, handicrafts, carpets, and ornaments. There are people also involved in wearing, dyeing, printing, and tailoring. All these trades form part of Pakistan's cottage industries. Next topic is tourism. Tourism is also seen as an industry as it brings in income from tourists who visit various places of interest in a country. In Pakistan, the northern region has been a favorite with tourists who are attracted to the awesome mountain landscapes. The northern areas known as Gilgit, Baltistan are famous for the Shandur Polo Festival, the breathtaking mountains leading up to the Kunjara Pass. Further south are Sawat and Kagan with their beautiful natural scenery, and to the northwest is the historic Khyber Pass. Okay student, hope you all are understand at the end of my lecture, so note down the question. I will check the answers when school will reopen. You can take help from your lecture, you can take help from your book, and also you can take help internet. The question number 1 is, when oil field was discovered in Pakistan? Question number 2, which is the largest gas field in Pakistan? Question number 3, when Oil and Gas Development Corporation was set up in Pakistan?